Hi there, students. To dissipate. To dissipate, a verb. Okay, to gradually spread out more and more until it just disappears. To dispel, to slowly go away. So there was lots of fog early in the morning, but as the sun rose, the fog began to dissipate, began to go away. He was really angry at first, but slowly his anger began to dissipate. I guess we could have a noun. The dissipation of his anger was quite slow. Um, the rocks were very, very hot at first after the fire went out, but slowly the heat began to dissipate, to disappear gradually, to gradually go away. Okay, so to dissipate, to break up or drive off. The police tried to dissipate the crowd. Okay, or maybe if you're trying to do too many things at once, your concentration is dissipated. It's spread so thinly that it doesn't actually, it's not actually useful. In physics, to dissipate heat, to lose heat. So the heat generated in a car engine is dissipated by the radiator. To break up, to scatter and vanish. The clouds dissipated and the sun came out. The student's early enthusiasm has dissipated. Okay, it's gone away. It's spread out. So to dissipate, to break apart. To the point of disappearing. The wind finally dissipated all of the smoke. Um, Finally, my insecurities dissipated, or my doubts dissipated. Notice as well, you can use to dissipate, meaning to squander. He dissipated his fortune on wine, women, and song. To use up recklessly, to squander. He dissipated his vast energies on useless things. Okay, his strong feelings slowly dissipated. They broke up, they scattered, they went away. Or also to dissipate, to indulge in the pursuit of pleasure in a wasteful way. He dissipated his fortune, he dissipated his energy. So to act in a dissolute way. The tension in the room dissipated when I explained exactly what had happened. To fade and vanish, to dissolve, to evanesce, to melt away or disappear, to spread away. And then this other meaning, he dissipated the inheritance that his father had left him. He squandered it, he misspent it. He had a very dissipate youth, I guess. So, dissipate, to drive away, to disperse. The fog was dissipated. To use up or squander, he dissipated his enemy. To vanish by dispersion. The police wanted to dissipate the crowd. In physics, the energy was dissipated. The energy produced. And then I guess dissipate, to be dissolute in conduct as well. So how formal is this verb to dissipate? I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, but it's probably better in something semi-formal or formal. To dissipate, the fog dissipated, a regular verb. The fog has dissipated. And then the origin comes from Latin. dissipatus, or from dissipare, meaning to scatter, to squander. Yeah, dis apart, and supare to throw, so to throw apart. Okay, so I hope your attention has not dissipated as we've gone through this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dissipate.